Colin McHugh in his big league debut will try and cool him off.
Well, got some folks here. Covington, Georgia native, born and raised, and 6'2", 195-pounder. You see his numbers.
3-2 on the way, and Pacheco takes strike 3 called. And Gonzalez down on strikes. Nice escape by Colin McHugh in his first big league inning. What does it matter? Is it a distraction if somebody's wearing a necklace or something on their glove hand?
Well, in the nighttime and in the sun, you could get a nice curve.
Roll that ball back to the mound.
Exactly.
The game ball, strike 3 called. And Blackham goes around on the curveball, and that's the 5th strikeout for Colin McHugh.
And the ball goes further. That's all they wanted was more runs.
Curveball for a call 3rd strike. McHugh breaking out that hook. McHugh ahead in the count 1-2. And LeMahieu down on strikes. 7 strikeouts in 5 scoreless innings in his big league debut for Colin McHugh. Halfway through, no score.
Way off. I said 50.
It's okay. You're occasionally wrong. There goes Ottavino down on strikes. 3-2. He struck him out. Strikeout number 9 for Colin McHugh. 7 scoreless innings in his major league debut, and his parents could not be happier.